How to use Voice Assistant on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can use Voice Assistant on Android. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. So to activate a voice assistant on your Android, you'll need to head over to your settings. Tap on your settings. So after you're on your settings, head over to the apps option. After you're there, scroll down and there you'll find your assistant. Tap on assistant. Sometimes you might not find it in the apps section. You might just have to go and search for it on your Google services. After you're here, you'll then need to enable your voice match. So tap on the voice match option. And after you do that, you'll need to enable the Hey Google option. Toggle that button on. And it'll take you to this section where you'll need to start agreeing to the terms and conditions. And now you'll need to simply say Hey Google. After you've done that, you can tap on I agree. And basically just set this up. And after you've done that, you'll have your very own voice assistant with whom you can automate your life as well. So you can ask Google Assistant to call someone, to set an alarm and stuff like that. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.